Hello, guys. Welcome to AppGeeker channel. Can't tell how exciting it is to get a new iPhone 13. And here, we're going to show you how to transfer your data from an Android to an iPhone using the official tool, Move to iOS. Before we get started, there's one thing important. Move to iOS actually transfers your data from Android to a fresh iPhone during the iPhone setup process in the very beginning. That is to say, you can only move your Android data before you set up your iPhone. And in case that your iPhone has been in use already, here, I'm gonna show you how to reset your iPhone to get it back to setup screen. Okay. Now, first of all, let's turn this iPhone into the start screen. If your iPhone is on the hello screen, you can skip this step. Okay, here, I open my iPhone. You can see this iPhone is on the home screen, right? So I'm going to reset it now. Open settings first. Next. General. Okay. We scroll down to the bottom. And here's the transfer or reset iPhone option. Okay, tap it, and now, here you can see erase all content and settings. That's what we're going to do. So tap it. Then tap continue. Here, you may be asked to enter the screen passcode for your iPhone, and you also have the option to upload your iPhone data to your iCloud storage before erasing your iOS device. It would take much time for uploading. So here, in my case, I just select skip it. In your iPhone, you may see the option to erase now. Okay, you can choose to erase after the uploading or just erase now. Then input the password of your Apple ID if asked. And, that's it, the iPhone is erasing all the data itself now. So if you don't want factory reset your iPhone, you don't like to erase everything on it, then you can use another tool called Phone Transfer. It transfers data from Android to iPhone after setup. I'll put the download link below this video so that you can click it to know more. The erase may take a while. Once done, you will see the hello screen pop up. Okay. Now, the hello screen appears. This iPhone is totally erased now. Alright, time to set up. Swipe up. Follow the on-screen guide to set up it. Okay, here, we slow down a little bit. During the setup process, you'll encounter this apps and data screen. Below it, you can easily find the Move Data from Android option. Okay. Tap it. And continue. Now on the iPhone screen, it's a one-time code. Usually a 6 or 10 digital code here. And we need to enter this code on the Android phone. So now, when the iPhone is ready, time to get the Android phone prepared. Alright. We install Move to iOS first. Install and open it. And tap Continue. Agree, and do allow it to access the files on this device. And of course, let it automatically send the files. Finally, you'll reach the code screen. Tap Continue, and enter the one-time code here. And connect this Android to the network the iPhone creates. When they match, the Android phone allows you to select what data files you want to move. Here, you can choose photos, contacts, messages, mail accounts, calendar, and bookmarks. Almost everything you want. Okay. Select the content you desire and tap Continue to start the transfer. The loading bar is running now. When it finishes, everything you selected will be moved to the target iPhone. Don't worry if your iPhone goes sleep. It takes time. You can plug your phone into power in case the battery running out during the process. Well, when it's all completed, tap Done on the Android phone, and continue to set up the iPhone. And now, you'll get all the selected data files on the iPhone. Okay. That's how you can transfer data from Android to iPhone with Move to iOS. As you see, it moves data from Android to iPhone during the setup process. And for some large files and some high-quality images, Move to iOS may fail to move sometimes. To fix that problem, and also, if you don't want to erase your data on the target iPhone, there's another tool called Phone Transfer. It's available for multiple data transfer from one phone to another, without erasing anything. Users can transfer data files between Android and iOS devices in a very straightforward way. Simply click the link below to know more about it. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped, please give a like and subscribe to know more tips. Thanks for watching. See you next video.